In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best CD/DVD printer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best CD/DVD printer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Printer ever present top 7 best CD/DVD printer. Let's get started.
Here you will get the verified review of the top 10 printers that are competing in the market for the last 5 years. Sometimes choosing the right brand becomes difficult when some are standing in the same position. But if you watch till the end, you can easily select your suitable one and know about the guidelines of choosing a perfect printer.
Number 1. Primera Bravo AC3 Auto Printer 63132. 20 disk capacity. Photo quality color inkjet printing at up to 4800 dpi. High-speed disk printing at up to 2 inches per second. Uses inkjet printable media. Highly reliable and durable. Number 2. Brother VC 500W Versatile Compact Color Label. Features: print full color labels and photos up to 2 inch wide and 17 inch long. Easily print from your photo gallery, camera apps, notes and your social media stream. Versatile printing lets you create labels, stickers, photos and more. Wireless Direct lets you connect. Ready-made design plus print from AirPrint. Number 3. Epson Expression Premium XP 7100. Superior photo quality, 30-page auto document feeder, specialty media feed, auto 2-sided print, copy scan, print borderless up to 18x10, 4.3-inch touchscreen, USB card slots, wireless and Wi-Fi direct, smartphone tablet printing, 4x6 photo as fast as 12 seconds. Number 4. Epson XP630 Wireless Color Photo Printer. Setup and instruction manuals. CD-ROM containing software and drivers. 5 Caloria Premium ink cartridges. Save time and paper with auto 2-sided printing. Lab quality 4x6 photos in as fast as 20 seconds. Number 5. Epson Stylus Photo R220 Inkjet Printer 5760 into 1440 dpi maximum resolution, 3. Pick a lighter drop size up to 15 ppm color, 15 ppm black. Prints a 4x6 inches borderless photo in as fast as 57 seconds. Complete, easy to use, CD and DVD face printing solution. USB interface, PC and Mac compatible. Number 6. Epson EcoTank ET2750 Wireless Color. Paper capacity 100 sheets. 1.44-inch LCD color display. Voice activated printing, auto two-sided printing. Resolution 5760x1440 optimized DPI. Includes enough ink to print up to 6,500 pages. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.